Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this very important update on Ethereum. There are multiple things we need to talk about. There are two notable things, of course, and apart from that, we'll also just go over the technicals. But the notable events for Ethereum are, first of all, the inflation rate, which is coming rather soon, in about, I would say, 4 hours, 3.5 hours from when this video was uploaded. But you can look that up yourself at myfxbook.com. But apart from that, also the Shanghai upgrade, which is on Wednesday US time, and it's actually like Thursday night for the US and India as well, probably. India, the Middle East. So we'll have to wait for that a bit. You can find a countdown timer for that if you're interested in that on June.com. There you can see the countdown. It's in about 16 hours from now. So when you're watching this video, probably in 14 hours, you can do the math, or from when the video was uploaded. So that's very major. And apart from that, we also received quite a big dump already from our previous resistance around 1920 and 1940. So that's something we need to talk about as well. Now, before we dive into the rest of the video and Ethereum, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trade results, everything you need to know. All right, so now onto Ethereum. So what we did with this drop overnight is we actually got under this minor key level around 1880, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, especially with the inflation rate coming out, but it is somewhat of a bearish confirmation. I would argue that Bitcoin is still holding on better. Bitcoin, as you can see, is still holding that 30k level fairly well. It's not moving a lot. I don't expect a lot of movement overall, but still, it is holding it. And Ethereum has dropped down below that. So what I expect is, first of all, if we talk about the Shanghai upgrade, but I'll probably still give you an update on that a little bit more on Twitter or something. So make sure to follow me there as well, Cilinix Crypto. But overall today, I do not expect that much movement. I don't think we'll drop down much lower. We found support around 1850. I actually do not expect that we'll drop down below that. I think we will be able to test 1880, 1875. I don't think we can break above that, but I will say that I think it's more likely that we'll break above that than that we will break down below 1850. But yeah, that's mainly based on my experience with these inflation rates, that usually when a good outcome is expected, you already get some bullish momentum before it. But overall, I do not expect a lot of movement, and then it's just going to depend on the inflation rate. If the inflation rate year on year and CPI are lower than expected, that's good. If they're higher than expected, that's bad. So bad would mean a drop down to at least 1820. Probably followed by a drop all the way to 1760, because I do expect bearish momentum from the Ethereum Shanghai upgrade, whether it's because of the buy the rumor, sell the news mechanism, or whether it's by actual selling pressure being added. But if the inflation rate is actually positive, if it's lower than expected, then I think we can get back up to 1940. I do not see us breaking above that, but from there, well, at least we have hit our previous tops. And then from there, we'll see again. I do expect some bearish momentum, but depending on how much we can, for example, if we hold 1880, perhaps we can still get up to 2000 after that. If we drop down lower, though, we'll probably get into some sort of a consolidation. But I'll also make a full update, another update on that tomorrow in my Ethereum update. Until then, I'll try to keep you updated, but for now, via other measures. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.